Hey everybody. In this video we'll talk about setting up your door and panel supports on the dashboard bench, whether it's the full-size dashboard or the shortcut. So you will have received a pair and some fastening hardware. You have some knobs and you will put the black plastic washer on the knobs. And these are specific left and right. So what we've done is we've had left written on the mounting brackets for the left one, and then the right is obvious. So there's only one way you can orient it, so you can't get it upside down. Now, we'll just show putting the left one on because the right one is already there. So I've got my knobs and I'm ready to go. Now you'll notice here we have some rivet nuts installed in the leg for this purpose. So all you need to do is line up the mounting plates with those rivet nuts and thread in your knobs. And at this point, some of you might be saying, gosh, Rob, why are those knobs so long? It's taking you forever to do that. Well, the answer is because we can only have so many different sizes of knobs, and we want to make sure that this thing engages with all the threads in that rivet nut. So nobody cross threads anything and it holds super solid. Now, that's installed. So, last thing to check. Now we do set these up very carefully when we're putting them together, but we want this surface of the door and panel support to be in plane with the outside of the table. So, get your handy level and just put these against each other. And take a look. Do we have any daylight here? Okay, we have nice contact here. Now, if for some reason your alignment wasn't perfect, all you need to do is take some clamps, clamp your level top and bottom, both tracks against the side of the table, and then you'll get a 5/32 Allen wrench. I like to use a T-handle. Loosen these and then pull it into contact with the level. So it's nice and flush all the way along. Tighten the bolts again, and then you're in business. So now let's install the operative part of the door and panel support, which is this platform. So this is adjustable up and down the height of the piece. So you're just going to loosen that T-bolt, and you can drop this in from above, just like so, and then you're ready to work. So you're just going to set this to whatever height is appropriate for the piece you're supporting vertically, tighten the knob, and there you go, super solid. Another thing to mention is, you notice when I was putting the plates on, it's a slotted hole, okay? Let's look at this again. It's a slotted hole, meaning if your table is set up on an uneven surface and you need to use the levelers because the floor drops away here, you can drop this in that slotted hole so it is in contact with the floor, the ground, the carpet, whatever, because we want all the force from the part that's being set on this to go to the ground and not cantilever off the leg. So we have extra solid support when we're all focusing our energy on the ground rather than just hanging off in space. Okay, remember that. So here's my platform. Here's another one over here. Let's get this one on. Drop that right in there. Now, I'm just sort of eyeballing this. Now we'll get my workpiece. Typical piece of plywood that I might want to work on vertically. Set them on the platform there. Of course, I can move this up and down wherever I like, whatever is comfortable height for what I'm doing. Maybe you're doing some dominoes or some edge banding, doweling it, for example. And then you just take your track clamps and position this where you need to end. Tighten that. Maybe this is a door, you're mortising for hinges. And I'm just going to put this in here, and I can hold that comfortably and securely. And that's how you use the door and panel supports. Thanks for watching.